Today, we're talking about our Skeletool line of products, compact set of tools. A few different variations, so which one's right for you? Let's find out. My name is Adam Lazenby. I'm the Senior Product Designer here at Leatherman Multi-Tools. The Leatherman Skeletool, which was released in 2008, has become an absolute favorite for everyday pocket carry and adventures. It's small, compact, lightweight, with just the basic features that you need to get through the day. There's a whole line of products. There is the standard, CX, RX, and then the little guys, the KB and the KBX. A few different features separate them. We're going to talk about that and help decide which one's right for you. So the Skeletool has the common core features of a multi-tool. It has pliers, screwdriver, and a knife. Our pliers are shaped in a way that it's needle nose in the tip with the good standard pliers in the middle. We have wire cutters, a hard cutter notch at the root of them. The Skeletool has a bit driver with removable bits and an additional bit stored inside the handle as well. The knife blade is made of various materials, which we'll get into later. It's one-handed use, liner locking, has a pocket clip to fit smooth in your pocket, and a carabiner to attach it to your gear. That carabiner doubles as a bottle opener for once the day is done and the celebration has begun. For the Skeletool, the dimensions are shared across the entire line. Closed length, 4 inches long. Knife blade, 2.6 inches long. Overall weight, 5 ounces. So those are the features that are shared across each of the Skeletool plier-based tools. Now, let's talk about what features make each individual model unique. To start off, we're going to talk about the standard Skeletool model. Think of this as the all-purpose tool of the family. The knife blade on the standard Skeletool is constructed from 420 high-carbon stainless steel. It's chosen because it has excellent toughness and good stain resistance. The grind on the knife blade is combo straight and serrated, getting you smooth cuts and letting you cut through fibrous materials. The next tool we're going to talk about is the Skeletool CX. This tool comes in a number of different colors and finishes. The knife blade on this tool is constructed from 154 cm. This gives it improved edge retention, meaning it holds the sharp edge longer, and improved corrosion resistance. The grind on this blade is a plain edge, meaning it's been optimized for smooth slicing. The next tool we're going to talk about is the Skeletool RX. This is our rescue focus tool. It has a carbide glass breaker designed for breaking tempered glass, such as car windows. The knife blade on the RX is a rescue focus blade. It is made from 154 cm for improved edge retention, full serrations for slicing fibrous material, and is ground in a modified sheepfoot, meaning it is great for slicing, but the tip of it means it is less likely to pierce. The carbide glass breaker bit on the Skeletool RX can also be purchased as an accessory at leatherman.com. The next product we're going to talk about is the smallest of the Skeletool family, the Skeletool KB. This tiny little knife only weighs 1.3 ounces. It absolutely disappears in your pocket. It is one of the smallest, lightest, relatively strong knives you can buy on the market. It has the same blade shape as a Skeletool, a pocket clip. The pocket clip also doubles as a bottle opener. So even though it's tiny, it's versatile and useful. There are 2 models in the Skeletool KB line, the standard Skeletool KB and the Skeletool KBX. The difference between the two, the KB and the KBX, is the grind of the blade. The KBX has serrations, whereas the KB does not. If you're an individual who prefers to have a blade that is more capable with slicing fibrous materials, such as rope or cording, then a combo blade is really handy. For situations where it's more of a slicing use, then the Skeletool KB would be your choice. The Skeletool KB also comes in a host of colors to match your personal style. For the Skeletool KB, closed length, 3.4 inches. Knife blade, 2.6 inches. Overall weight, a tiny 1.3 ounces. So hopefully you have a better understanding of the similarities and differences of the Skeletool family. Go ahead and leave a comment below letting us know which one is your favorite.